In response to the escalating pace of urban life and the escalating congestion of city streets, BMC, the Swiss bike specialist, has unveiled a groundbreaking solution for urban commuters, the 257 AMP LT e-bike. Far from being just another electric bike, it represents a harmonious convergence of performance, style, and practicality, meticulously engineered for the everyday city rider. BMC, renowned for its prowess in crafting high-performance road and mountain bikes, takes a departure from its traditional domain with the 257 AMP LT. Instead of targeting racing tracks or mountain trails, this bike is purpose-built for the dynamic demands of bustling city streets. It stands as a testament to urban commuters' dreams, seamlessly melding the reliability of a traditional bicycle with cutting-edge technology. The bike's aesthetic is a departure from convention, featuring a sleek and streamlined appearance that complements its urban environment, while maintaining BMC's reputation for high performance. The 257 AMP LT's focus shifts towards meeting the unique needs of city dwellers. At the heart of a 257 AMP LT is its partnership with Bosch for the powertrain. The integration of the Bosch Performance Line CX motor and a 625 Wh PowerTube battery into the frame sets the C-bike apart. This collaboration not only provides ample power, but also ensures an impressive range for daily commutes, without the unwieldy bulk often associated with other models. BMC's commitment to longevity and user-friendly appearance is evident in the bike's choice of a maintenance-free belt drive over the traditional chain drive. This not only reduces noise, but also minimizes the need for frequent servicing. The Shimano Alpha 8-speed system further contributes to a smooth and efficient ride, perfectly tailored for city commuting. However, the 257 AMP LT doesn't stop at mechanics. It prioritizes the rider's comfort as well. Equipped with full-coverage fenders, a redshift shock-stop suspension stem, and a Cell Royal Vivo saddle, the bike ensures a comfortable journey, even on the uneven and rough terrain of urban roads. At a price point of approximately $6,305, the BMC 257 AMP LT positions itself as a premium option in the realm of urban commuting. Beyond being merely a mode of transport, this e-bike represents an investment in a more efficient and enjoyable urban commute, signaling a departure from conventional transportation options. In a rapidly changing urban landscape, the BMC 257 AMP LT emerges as a symbol of what the future of urban cycling could embody: efficiency, style, and a seamless alignment with the needs of modern city dwellers. In essence, BMC's 257 AMP LT emerges as a sophisticated solution for urban commuters, embodying a perfect synergy of form and function. As cities continue to grow busier, this e-bike not only serves as a means of transport, but also as a testament to BMC's dedication to innovation, providing riders with a stylish, reliable, and comfortable option for navigating the ever-evolving urban landscape. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Have a nice day and God bless you.